What? No, look at your shirt short.
No.
You can like it's like this. Put it out and
Hi Fizz, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new sunny day here in
Nice.
Nice.
No, in France.
Nice is in France, you don't have to show. One, you don't need to show. One, you don't need to show any at all. And two, Princess is
Awake. No, awake.
okay, you want to go join her to see if she's sleeping or awake? Want me to send you in your bed?
No.
Anyway,
no,
you
no,
guys,
no,
I am not going to with his madness this morning. You guys, guess what? I woke up this morning and ran about 3 miles.
That's it.
What do you mean that's it?
That's it. She thinks she's proud, but 3 miles. I do that every day at breakfast. I eat 3 miles.
That's okay. What you say?
I do that every day on one hand, jumping on one foot.
You wish. Wait.
No, that's good. That's good. She was feeling motivated. She said, "I'm going to supermarket running." Okay.
He thinks I'm crazy.
Go. So she went there. She went there fast. She did everything. I was sleeping. I put my clock at 9:30 and just to wake up, and I said, okay, she's gonna call me around 10:30. Well, at 9:30 she called me and she said she's ready.
Finish shopping at 9:30, almost 10 o'clock. Done run, shopping and call me.
Was it tea time?
Pretty much.
Okay.
And not a lot of people.
Goodies in?
Fresh everything.
Okay,
Ready
cool.
and stock. So it was good. I ran to the supermarket this morning, did shopping, got back home, get all fresh, got Tyler fresh, put Sarah down for a nap. And look at him, he's ready to do the supermarket haul and have
That's Tyler.
conversations.
Who I am.
Wow.
Who I am.
What do you want to say?
Anyways, let's start.
You want pee-pee?
Let's start.
You have to shout, and I won't tell you again, your sister is sleeping.
But you know, but
You said I didn't
sorry.
have to buy this because you have a lot.
Yes.
So if you have a lot of this,
I only eat one.
so that means you don't like it then.
Yes, I do like it.
So how you gonna eat one?
Is it because I love Papa one too much?
So next time I'll buy Papa own and not yours?
Yes.
Okay. Alright, so let's go. Babe
That was
have no
cereal.
idea what I bought, so he's gonna discover.
Bajo cereal, pretzel.
So
I don't
Tyler
eat
saying
that.
in French.
I don't eat that.
Sarah, I bought this last week, pretzel, and Sarah almost ate
Did you get Petit Bear today?
No. No,
Guys.
tell me what happened to tell Fizz what happened to me last night.
She opened a pack of Petit Bear
With
yesterday.
24 biscuits
24
in it.
biscuits. She eat all of them.
All of them.
All of them.
Oh my god.
By the end of the day, the packet was empty. Only her 24 biscuits. When I tell you she's the one eating the chocolate, she's just showing that she's able to eat all of these sweeties. One full pack in one afternoon. I never did that in my life. She's just able to eat all of the chocolate. She's guilty. Guilty. Continue.
Wait.
Continue.
Let me go
you're
change the battery.
guilty.
The battery dying. Tyler, wait. Anyway guys, the battery died and I had to go change it. But anyway, I am so done with that biscuit. No more is coming in this house. It's my favorite biscuit. I am weak to it, like I'm weak to my husband.
Oh, you eat me in one day. Woo. 24.
But it's not
24.
coming back in this house. I went to the supermarket today and I sit in the aisle and I go I'm not picking it up.
I'm calling you. I'm
I
calling
deliberately
you.
pick up a biscuit with chocolate
No,
that
yeah,
I know I will not.
No, I will go to the supermarket and get you a pack of Petit Beurre.
No, thank you.
I do that. I go
don't
and I
want
just
it.
put it here and I will just
want
say,
it. I don't want
okay
to
guys,
sit in this
let's
house.
see how long she's gonna resist to the Petit Beurre.
I don't want to sit in this house.
It's next challenge.
I don't want to sit in this house. But another note,
Smell the Petit Beurre.
is not me eat the chocolates, but the biscuit, yes. So I'm done with the biscuit. It's not coming back in.
But she's not done with the chocolate. She know what she hiding.
All right.
Biscuit.
Biscuit for Tyler.
Oh, this is Petit Beurre, guys.
Barreau céréales.
No, that's not Petit Beurre.
Look, that's a Petit Beurre.
That's not true.
And chocolate on top of it.
That's
so she's
not-
gonna take away the chocolate and eat only the Petit Beurre.
That's not true.
That's not Petit Beurre?
That's not Petit Beurre.
What is it?
No.
What is
no.
Donut.
No, it's not the Petit Beurre that I like. So I don't even try to convince me that is it and let me go. Move.
Nana.
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 Like
Oh.
how Nana Sarah say Nana, she say Nana.
Oh, that's Nana. That's what my Sarah is calling you Nana.
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 Happy biscuit.
Biscuit for Tyler.
Mama,
Cereal.
Mama, Papa.
Yes,
So
Tyler.
you didn't
When
take your
I-
Petit Beurre, but you take my cookie.
But you didn't tell me that you don't want your cookie. I know you want your cookie. And it's not you alone eat cookie. Tyler also eat cookie. So it's not just for you. It's not eat of the entire bag.
Okay.
It's a validation, right?
Okay.
What do you want to say?
I want to say that when I say something, one of you need to repeat it in English like that. They know what it means.
Yeah, that's what we're doing, no?
But I didn't hear.
Okay.
Cookie.
Cookie. Cookie.
Barreau céréales.
Da, da, da.
What is that?
He said he wanted the
Waffle with the chocolate on top of
waffle.
it?
Yes.
Okay.
There's a waffle with chocolate on top. He told me, Mama, this morning, he said, Mama, when you go to the supermarket, buy the waffle with the chocolate already on the top. So I said, okay. Alright, crepe.
Crepe.
Also crepe, I start buying one pack because who's
Yeah, one
weakness?
pack is
They
fine.
carries it when you see. So when you eat one pack, you'll think, oh, but Tyler have to get it in the morning so you will eat it. No?
No.
You still go eat it?
Yeah, me not care about Tyler.
That's not true.
Yeah.
But tomorrow I'm going to take.
Oh, you find it?
I find it because you told me that it's in the can section. But as you check the can section last week and this time I go back to the can section and I said, let me take my time and look. And I saw so many corned beef. And the Delaveaus, right?
I know I'm right. I'm always right. I mean, she's just stubborn.
Peach.
When she listens to me, she
It's
finds
sweet.
things.
Biscuit
Oh,
for
this is
Tyler.
the one you take, not the Petit Beurre.
Yes,
it's gonna
because
be
we
this
don't
one.
like chocolate and that is
Yaourt.
chocolate.
We have yogurt,
Yogurt for Sarah.
This is good.
Jus.
We have grape juice. I like grape juice.
Pizza.
We have
Pizza.
mini pizza. We
Tyler,
have
go
fried this.
back on
I
your
don't think
steps.
this will last long time.
Jus d'ananas.
Go back up.
Pineapple
Yaourt.
juice.
Saucisse. Jambon. Mama, let me take some time saying.
Yes, you're saying it.
This would be even more better if I was doing it all by
We have some
myself.
different yogurt. Yogurt is
You want
Yeah.
to do the haul all by
yogurt is
yourself?
very
Yeah.
cheap in France. I mean, you get this pack for
Yeah.
what? €1, €2, so you know bad.
I remember when I went to Jamaica when Tyler was a
It's
baby
€2 for one.
and tried to get yogurt for
Oh,
Tyler.
that was a
Oh my
disaster.
god.
We have to
Which
carry the
one,
yogurt
yeah?
from France.
Oh, I couldn't find none of the ones that I find Tyler didn't like it. Go, bleh.
I'm sure you
Ushuaia.
give
So,
them to Sarah.
Kaylin.
to-
Give them to Sarah. Sarah will eat that.
Oh, so
Chicken.
Poulet.
chicken. We have chicken. Why to this chicken or the other one?
The other one is in the fridge. I have enough.
No, I mean this type of chicken but different brand.
Salmon.
It's cheaper than this one. That's fine.
Let me
With
see the
chicken. I have
price.
to teach her 5,
Poulet.
6. I have to teach her which one to get. I can see that she don't used to go to the supermarket by herself. She used to write the list. That's it.
Oxtail.
That's not
oxtail,
oxtail.
Yeah, that's it. That's it. She wanted
the other one that
she
you
wanted
tell
to
me.
try that's
Beef,
similar
I wanted the
bourguignon.
stew beef.
Yeah,
Yes.
the bourguignon mijoté, and you see the price is not bad. She wanted the last time that we did beef bourguignon. I don't know if you remember. That was good. And she wanted the similar meat to
Stew
do
beef,
a
Jamaican
different
style.
food. So.
That's bourguignon.
This
Saumon.
is salmon.
We have salmon, we have
Orange,
orange, we have chicken wings and chicken leg.
Oasis tropical.
Hold on. Let's do this one. You can see that she always put the wrong one.
What?
You don't see it with the light.
So
You don't want no damn
so
light.
No, it says tropical.
But look, it's with an oasis light.
So light means what?
Lightly.
Light is
That's sweet.
You know that's sweet.
Exactly.
no
So
light,
I'm gonna drink it.
You
but light
I
means
mean, you can
less
take,
sugar,
you can
my
take
love.
less sugar for you. Like Coca-Cola. If you get in the black Coca-Cola, no sugar or light
Oasis.
Coca-Cola, this is not the same.
I only took one.
Yeah, we are about to just. You can see that I drink less juice.
broccoli.
Broccoli,
Pub. Apple.
Pom.
apples,
Ginger.
ginger,
You guys know the vegetable. It's going to be the same vegetables that I normally take every week. Nothing changes. So I won't even go ahead and show you guys.
And celery
Broccoli,
and cucumber.
Green beans.
No surprise, no surprise.
No surprise.
nothing.
Not at all. What kind of surprise
Banana.
you want?
Maybe you bring me some things that I really love.
Cookie.
No, maybe you bring me a little cake, or maybe you bring me a little surprise,
Or a
like
ice
like a
cream.
PS5, or like
He's
No.
silly, right?
Yes.
no surprise hidden.
The surprise is the bill. That's the
Uh,
surprise.
the surprise is the deal.
Anyway, you guys, I will go ahead and show you all these veggies because it's the same thing that you guys see every week.
Compote.
That was garbage in the car. Let me take it out. Anyway, you guys, that's the end of the supermarket haul for today. It's just the vegetable bag that remain, and Tyler still insists on going. But we're gonna end it here. So, rock, paper, scissors. What we're playing to?
Being a nice boy. No.
No, they want that to decide what to do.
If you lose, you go
Stop.
to bed right now.
No, stop. No, it's either stop.
Gotta
The
go.
supermarket haul. It's either stop the supermarket haul or continue. If I
Okay.
win, we continue.
Okay.
If you win, we stop.
Okay.
Oh wait, the first one that have 4 points.
Oh gosh, no. 2 points.
2 points.
The best of 2.
Okay.
Ow! You have to slap me so hard.
What? I want to continue.
Okay, so continue. He wants to continue to do the haul.
But nobody's helping me.
Because we said we're gonna stop and you want to continue, so you continue by yourself.
Haricot vert.
Green beans.
Mama, you're my assistant for 24 hours. Broccoli.
Broccoli. You see, you guys see the same thing that we showed you already. Take time.
Concombre.
Cucumber. Come let me help you.
The biggest one of all of them. Celery.
Celery.
Dun,
One
dun,
last
dun.
one.
Zucchini.
Zucchini. What is zucchini in Francais?
Courgette.
Yes. Alright, go wash your hands from touching all these things. Snack time. What are you eating? Tell me what you're having for snack.
Cheese.
Cheese. Where you get cheese from?
From Somebody?
Sarah, what are you eating, girl? Yeah, have my bottle. And I'm eating cheesies and pretzels. You guys, we all took a nap. We took a well-needed nap and we all just woke up. And everybody's crunching, munching around here. He's having snack. You hear tell us that he's eating cheesies because I got a little package earlier with cheesies and festival mix that I've been searching for since a while. There is the Jamaican community in Paris. There is a few persons that source Jamaican goods from Belgium and London and sell it back to us here. So there's a guy that I saw made a post that he had festival mix and I rush it. I'm like, I need $4.
Yeah.
So I got 5 cheesies. So cheesies came and let me show you the festival mix that I got.
I've got to. Yeah.
So this is the festival mix that I got. It's the first I'm seeing this brand. I don't know where this brand is. But it's obviously a Jamaican brand. Telash, I'm talking. It's called Spur Tree Jamaican. If you hear that word, then you know exactly where that is. Spur Tree Hill, St. Elizabeth. So it says Spur Tree Jamaica. That's the brand. And the festival mix called Helsha Style Festival Mix. So I'm gonna try this festival mix for the first time. I don't know when I'll try it, but at least now I know I have a few boxes of festival mix to last me for a few months. And it feels pretty heavy, which means a good amount in it. I can use this at least 2 times. So yeah, when I test this festival mix, I'll tell you guys how the brand tastes in comparison to the other brand. Okay. It's just a joy to have an outside space for them to play. They've been outside all day. The weather is just so good today. Alright, you guys, there goes Pizza Friday for today for the fam bam. And I'm not going to have much of it, so I'm going to have some leftovers from yesterday with some chicken in the air fryer. So there goes dinner for everybody. Oh, you see the camera. Watch that table, Sarah. Oh my gosh. Oh, Sarah, take time with your head.
No,
Tell her, take time. Oh my God. Ow! Tell her she wants to get up.
Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes.
Tell her, sorry, your clothes falling off of you.
Nose, head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Look what they can do.
Oh! 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 No crying. No crying.
La station.
Ty, you have to be careful. You'll fall and get hurt really bad. Okay?
Je suis à la station d'urgence.
Alors, je dis quoi?
Mais la station d'urgence, c'est l'hôpital.
Oui?
Je suis déjà à l'hôpital.
Oh bon?
Regarde, je m'allonge comme ça.